Hello everybody, I'm Yukiko. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to make 3 dishes out of leftovers from the refrigerator. The first one is potato salad, which is very lightly made. And the second one is beef Tataki, which is like roast beef. And the third is pasta dish. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, now I'll put it in the microwave for about maybe 10 minutes until it gets soft. Okay, now I cover the lid and put it in the microwave for about 10 minutes. Excess watery from the cucumber. Let it stand for 10 minutes. Let's prepare for some meat. I have this meat for roast beef or Tataki. So I'm gonna cook this with pan. Okay. Salt and pepper. Okay, this is my favorite stove pot, and I'm gonna cook this meat with this. Some touches of olive oil. Look at this color. But the inside is still there. So what I'm gonna do is to wrap this meat with this aluminum foil and let it stand for a bit. Okay, let it rest for a little bit. Nanohana. Nanohana is a canola flower. It's good. Let's see. Some olive oil. Start stir frying. I'm gonna cut garlic too. Squash those garlic and mince. Start sauteing. Already smells very nice. Now I put the canola flour. Okay, potato. Let's see how potato is. I think it's ready. Okay, it's soft enough. Okay, it's ready. I squeezed it. I squeezed the excess water like that. Squeeze it. Okay, I think that's good. Okay. Mash the potato first. If you have this masher, it's very useful. I forgot to buy it. I'm out of it. So I'll use it up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna squeeze them all. Okay, and mix it. Well, I think it's not enough, so I'm gonna use salad dressing. Well, this is my favorite dressing. It's called Josephine dressing. Cucumbers. Now we put carrots as well, but we didn't have any, so this will do. Just a cucumber. I also found this ham, Italian ham. Well, actually, I put all of the cucumbers, so it's like a cucumber salad with potato in it. It's vice versa. Okay, it's done. Okay, so today I'm cooking this fettuccine from Cecco. Put salt. Okay, let's cook some stuff. But I do less than what it says on the instruction, so I do it 5 minutes. I'll turn the heat off, then put it in here. Okay, there's canola flour and sausage pasta. Okay, now the beef. Let's see. Oh, by the way, I bought this cutting board. It says kaya. Kayanoki is kind of wood. Okay. Let's see. Nice and tender. Oh, and I've got this knife at the Tsukiji market. My father bought it for me. My father loves to cook too. I've been using this since. Okay. Okay, there you go. Well, this is called Tataki. It's like roast beef. Sliced roast beef. Okay, you can eat it with soy sauce and wasabi, would be very natural. So this is pasta and beef tataki and potato salad. Thank you for watching. So today I made potato salad and pasta, canola flour and sausage, and beef tataki. Okay. いただきます。Let me have some pasta first. いただきます。It's good. It's very good. Okay, now the potato salad. There's some here. Take some. Oishii. I use lots of cucumbers, so it's so crunchy too. Now the beef tataki. いただきます。It's just so good. Thank you for watching. If you have a comment or a request, please let me know. And I hope to see you next week. Bye for now. さよなら.